Hi boys and girls. Today's science learning target is I can use evidence to explain changes in a landscape over time. Today we're going to be talking about volcanoes, which when they erupt, that's a major change in the landscape. But they can cause a lot of long-term changes in landscape that you'll be able to think about and explain by the end of this science unit. Volcanoes and the landscapes that they can create is actually really interesting given the area we live in. But we'll circle back to that in a future video. For today's lesson, when you're done here with me, you're going to go over and watch a lesson from Mystery Science Doug. Now, partway through Doug's lesson, he always has an activity. This activity is optional. You don't have to do it today. If you just watch Doug's video, you will hit the target anyway. But the activity that Doug shows is pretty fun, and Doug has made an online version of the activity. I'll show you how it works. All right, this is the Google Slides file where you can do Doug's optional activity. This activity works a little bit like the game Battleship, where you use the code of letters down one side and numbers down the other to move the points, or in this case, the little red triangles, to show where the volcanoes are. So if there was a volcano at A1, it would go at the spot where the A line and the 1 line cross each other, right here. On the first page, it has a list of volcano locations using that code of numbers and letters, the name of the volcano, the country it's in, and the last time it erupted, what year it erupted last. Let's focus on Mount St. Helens, which is a volcano in our state. The last time it erupted was 2008. It was a small eruption and it built up a lava dome in the larger crater. It's pretty neat, and we will learn more about that another time. So Mount St. Helens is 15-0. So we'll go to the map page, and here it is, 15-0. I'm going to zoom us in slightly to make it easier to see. Well, excuse me, it's not 15-0, it's 15-0. It's an alphabet letter. Okay, so we need line 15, so we'll go down this line, and I think it's going to be somewhere here, somewhere over Washington, but let's follow the O across to make sure. Here's the O line. All right, it's going to be right here where the two lines cross. So let's grab that triangle. I'll use my arrow keys on the keyboard to move it, at least to get us close. And let's use the mouse now. Either way works. And I moved the triangle so that it's where the O line and the 15 line match. Let's zoom back out. Now, you're going to move the triangles to where all these different volcanoes are in North America. And then you're going to do the same thing with South America, and then with Asia, and finally with Australia and the islands around it. As you're doing this, the hope is that you will start to notice patterns, and those patterns will help you explain where in the world you would be likely to find a volcano. Now, once again, that online activity is optional. You don't have to do it, but you are welcome to. It's fun, and it will enhance your understanding of the target. So, here's how this assignment is going to go. This video is going to come to an end, and then you're going to go over and watch Mystery Science Doug's videos. When Doug gets to the part where he does the activity, you get to choose. You can pause Doug and go do the activity that I have linked in this assignment in Google Classroom. Or you can just keep watching Doug's video and get to the end of his lesson. Both are good, and both will help you hit the learning target. That's all for now. See you in the next video.